How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to another episode of SpeedTech Spotlight. In this episode, I wanted to go over our Raptor-X versus our Raptor Visor Bar models. Now you'll notice on our Raptor-X that your unit is 15.5 inches on either side versus our Raptor at 18 inches per side. So the Raptor-X would be perfect for any smaller vehicle or where you're limited on mounting space. Now I did bring a TIR model here in an amber color unit, and to activate this unit I am using my optional dual memory SIG plug here. Now you do have two flash pattern memories, so you'll see in power mode 1 I have a half-half style flash pattern here, and then in power mode 2 I have an alternating style pattern there, and you can easily swap between your two flash patterns using your dual memory SIG plug. And then you do have your pattern changer here if you would like to change patterns. And you do have 26 flash patterns available in our TIR models, and then you'll have 36 flash patterns in our multicolor linear. And again, we offer single, dual, and alternating color TIR options or multicolor linear in amber, red, blue, green, and clear for any application. Now moving down here to our standard Raptor visor bar, I brought a multicolor linear unit in red blue, and to activate this unit I'm using my optional grand control, and you'll notice your unit is flashing back and forth between its primary and secondary colors, or you can run your unit in its primary or secondary colors individually by using the built-in flash patterns. And also on our standard Raptor visor bars, you'll notice that you have your two standard white takedowns there that you can activate while your light bar is flashing, or you can operate those independently as well if you would just like to activate your takedowns. And again, that works individually or while your light bar is flashing. And then you also have your aux button here where you can hook up to 10 amps of extra lighting all off of your optional grand control. Now again, this is a multicolor linear model here in red blue, but we do offer either our Raptor-X or Raptor visor bars in single, dual, alternating TIR color options or multicolor linear for any application. And we also have our Customize a Light Bar tool if you do need a custom color setup for your vehicle. So between our Raptor-X and our standard Raptor visor bar, you can choose which model works best for you. And we also have a super takedown model of our Raptor visor bars as well if you would like a Raptor visor bar with that full flood mode. So make sure to check out our interactive players to fully demo your unit before you buy, and you can also check out our customization tool if you need a custom color setup for your vehicle, and also check out our full product demo videos on every product page, and also our flash pattern videos to see all of the flash patterns that are included with these units. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.